It's time to reflect together on the past year and express our gratitude to each and every one of you for the unique moments we had the privilege to share. In addition to insightful electives and inspiring workshops, there were also the unforgettable UMCH parties that put a smile on our faces. Lots of memorable events not only enriched us academically but also contributed to bringing us closer together. During the Neurosurgery Congress, the Hamburg campus hosted around 300 students from all over the world as well as numerous international experts. The UMFST-UMCH Days included highlights such as student competitions and a teaching hospital fair. The welcome days and the official opening ceremony gave our first-year students a first taste of their studies and featured high-profile guests such as the Deputy Secretary General of NATO. The Femme Club, which promotes female empowerment in the medical world, was established this year. While the numerous guest speakers at our Reach Higher events have broadened our horizons with valuable insights.